KeyValet is an end-to-end solution that we can offer to our customers to manage their motor pool needs. Our secure kiosks that hold the keys allow our customers to safely and securely set up motor pool locations, which provides their customers, the vehicle operators, equipment operators, with 24/7 access to reservations, pickup, drop-off, and all of this is through self-service. So you don't need to dedicate employees to man these motor pools anymore. That's what that kiosk is for. And it all integrates into Fleet Focus.
For all our typical customers, typically I have one saying, hey, I'm constantly having to give keys out. We're so busy, I don't know what unit goes here. Or I have someone always wanting the new vehicle, never wanting this vehicle. KeyValet handles that for you. I just had a customer ask me today, he said, we've got so many vehicles, they're just not being used. And they were looking to slim down their fleet by at least 30% with KeyValet.